Hello everyone, here is Dr. Benaduce. In this lecture, we will cover an introduction to anatomy. And this is a very, very important lecture because we will cover here all the terms we will be using throughout the semester. We need to have definitions and to be sure that we are looking at the same thing and referring to the same thing when we are studying the different systems of our body. So let's get started. Anatomy and physiology are not the same thing. Anatomy, as it's written here, comes from the Greek language. Ana means up and tomi means cutting. So in anatomy, you are cutting up a body. Specifically in human anatomy, we are cutting up the human body, and we are looking at the structures we find in it. We are studying the body structure. Often, the structure is correlated to the function. And the study of the function is what we call physiology. As you can expect, anatomy and physiology are interrelated. You need to know anatomy to be able to understand physiology, because it's pointless to study how things work if you don't know what they are. Also, if I tell you about a specific structure and you have no idea why that structure exists, it's pointless because you'll not be interested in knowing, in learning about that. So in this course, we will study the structures of the human body, and I will tell you the basic functions of the different organs and systems to keep your attention, to make you see how complex and beautiful the human body is. It is just breathtaking to learn about our own body and to realize that everything makes sense. And then later on, you go and you take physiology, and that's when you dive deep into how the human body works.